Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO A53 from 2020 and let me show you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll to the additional settings. They should be under language and region. Here we've got the backup and reset option, which is at the very bottom of the list, and here we've got the whole Google backup section. Now this option is off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here. As you can see, the backup accounts option is active, so now we can freely add a backup account now. Under it we've got the automatic restore options, so you can decide if you want to restore all backed up settings for reinstalled apps. So let me turn it on, for example, by tapping on the switcher, and let's tap on backup accounts in order to add new one. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your backup account yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and let's tap on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on it, and here you've got all the info which you can read. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got some backup and storage info. This is the shortcut, so let's tap on accept. And here your device is telling you what the backup includes, so it will backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. So if you are ready, tap on OK. And as you can see here, we've got our newly added backup account, and from now on all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your OPPO A53 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.